At Area Mechanical and Gillies Heating and Air Conditioning, we've teamed up to serve your homes and businesses.
We don't let just anyone work on your heating, air conditioning, or plumbing. Only the highest trained professionals with the highest quality products, which means lower utility costs for you.
We fix it right the first time.
Area Mechanical and Gillies, the best team working together to deliver the best in comfort for your home or business.
Enjoy your family this Christmas season, and from everyone at Area Mechanical and Gillies, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.